everybody, and welcome to Daughter Time Cooking. I'm Daughter.
I'm really tired. It's too early to bake. I don't want to bake. It's early. It's the morning. I'm Daddy, and I'm tired. This isn't.
We're making cinnamon rolls, though.
Wait. Did you say cinnamon? Sticky buns?
No, I said cinnamon rolls.
Well, what are you waiting for? Get the ingredients. Let's start cooking. Daddy's hungry. Let's have some cinnamon rolls. Here are today's ingredients for our cinnamon
rolls.
Those things, yes. Last night's leftover
Pizza dough.
a half teaspoon of
Cinnamon.
4 tablespoons of melted
Vegan butter.
and 1/3 of a cup of.
Sugar.
Now for the icing, we will need a half teaspoon of
Vanilla.
2 tablespoons of
Lactose-free milk.
and 1 cup of.
Powdered sugar.
Nice. Now we make the cinnamon
rolls.
Oh, yeah, those things. Okay. Take last night's leftover pizza dough. Place it onto a lightly floured surface. In this case, we're using a piece of aluminum foil so that the counter doesn't get too dirty. Roll the dough out to about a 10 by 16 rectangle. By 16 rectangle. Daughter, did I mention a 10 by 16 rectangle?
Yes, you did, Daddy.
Well, just in case I did. So, is that about 10 by 16 or so?
Yeah, I think so.
Alright, well then if you would, take over and do what's next.
Okay, now I'm going to drizzle the melted butter onto the dough.
Melted vegan butter. Yummy. Is it ready yet?
No, we haven't even put any cinnamon on it, Daddy.
Any what?
Cinnamon.
Oh.
Now I'm going to mix the cinnamon and the sugar together.
Together?
And mix it together like this.
That's like putting chocolate with peanut butter. Your peanut butter's in my chocolate. Your chocolate's in my peanut butter.
Now I'm going to drizzle this all over.
Now is it ready?
No.
Oh, now I gotta roll it.
Now you have to roll it all up together.
Alright, now we just have to roll this up nice and tight all the way up. Making sure we cover in the ends and just keep rolling and rolling and rolling. This is the way we roll. This, no, okay. But this is the way we make cinnamon
rolls.
Cinnamon rolls. Roll it nice and tight. And now we're ready to cut and put it in the pan. So, daughter, we've rolled the whole thing up. It's nice and tight. Now it's time to cut this into 1 inch to 1.5 inch sections and place them in our greased
9-inch pan.
Alright, you ready?
Yep.
Okay. I'm going to cut off the end because that's not nice and straight. Get rid of it. Don't want that one. And here we go. just about an inch. Cut it down, place it in there. An inch, cut it down, place it in.
Almost done.
And place them in the pan, and we're ready for the oven. Now that we've placed them in the pan, it's time to put the
Cinnamon rolls!
those things into a preheated oven. The oven's been preheated to 375 degrees. Place said rolls into the oven and let them bake for 20 to 25 minutes. Alright, the cinnamon
rolls?
yeah, those things are in the oven, baking. So while those are baking, this would be a great time to make the icing for them. Daughter, take it away.
Okay, we're going to add our vanilla and our milk into our powdered sugar. And we're going to whisk until the desired consistency. Alrighty, it's done.
It's been 25 minutes. Time to check on the cinnamon
Rolls?
yeah, those things. Let's check on them. 25 minutes in the oven. What do they look like? Ha ha! They look done, baby. They're good. Let's go ahead and dress them up with some icing. Now, what are those called again? How do you say it?
Cinnamon rolls?
Yeah.
Cinnamon rolls?
Thank you. Now that those are out, we're going to put on the sticky, yummy goodness called icing. You ready for it?
Yep.
This is just the stuff that you made earlier while these things were baking. And you're just going to take it and just drizzle that goodness everywhere. Everywhere?
Yes, everywhere.
Everywhere.
Those look so good.
Should we put extra on there?
Yes, please.
I think they're just about ready to taste. What do you think?
Yes.
All right, let's get ready. So, we baked them, we put the glaze on them, and now we're ready to taste them. Are you ready to have some breakfast?
Yes, Dad.
I am so ready to have some breakfast. Let's go.
Wait!
What? I'm hungry. It's early, and I made these, and I just want to eat.
The taste tester has to have them.
Why can't I do the taste tester?
Because you're daddy, not the taste tester.
Taste tester! Hello, taste tester.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning to you too.
Oh, thank you. We have woken up really, really early today to make some
Cinnamon rolls?
to make these. And I can't have one until you objectively taste them and tell us if they're good or not. Are you ready to perform your duties as son and taste tester?
Yes.
Then please, taste test away.
Mmm. That is really good.
worth waking up early for. Alright,
So,
everyone, if you would, remember, like and subscribe. And until next time, we got something to remind you.
in this house, we dance in the kitchen.
Even when our mouths are full of yummy goodness. Bye, everybody. Oh, yeah. I can even, like, unroll it. Oh. Oh. Woo-hoo.